Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Trade with GK. This is my first video in relation to the course and I'm super excited to share the knowledge with you all. So let's start with what is stock market. Most of the new traders don't know what is stock market. All they want to know is which trading app should I use. I'm not blaming them, but our advertisements and the news structure is in such a way giving false assumptions. Okay, that is another chapter to debate. So what is stock market? Stock market is nothing but a place or a platform where you can trade or exchange a public company's share. It is that simple. BSE, the Bombay Stock Exchange, and NSE, the National Stock Exchange, is where the trading takes place. Now with the vast development of technology, you can do trading in mobile or computer. But to trade in stock market, you should open a demat account with a broker. So let me show you in the screen, which gives you a clear picture of what I'm trying to say. So first, it should be the NSE or the BSE. Okay. Then you need to open a demat account, and then you can start trading. So this is how it actually works. So this can be only provided by our brokers, which means that there are n number of brokers available in the market. My personal preference is Zerodha, which is neat and simple, and it's also low in brokerage. If you want, you can open the account with the link in the description. It would take about a maximum of 2 days to get your demat account ready, and you can add funds and start trading. There are 3 sets of derivatives which we can trade. One is equity, the second is commodity, and the third is currency. Let me show you here. So these are the 3 derivatives which we can trade using our broker's demat account. So first, let's go with equity. Our main focus will be on equity as the other need more money to trade, but the concept is same. There you need to trade in lots, but in equity we can select the quantity of our liking and the margin required is less compared to the others. So what I'm trying to say is, in equity we can select the quantity as per our wish, but in currency, if you see here, we have to select in lot size, which needs a huge margin, by the way. So this is basically forex trading. Not exactly forex trading, but there are only few currencies which we can trade in Zerodha. And the next is the commodity. Commodity is basically some metals and gold, crude oil. These are things which comes under commodity, and they also trade using the lot size, which again we need a good amount of margin to trade. So these are some of the scripts which you can trade in commodity, but we are not going to focus on this currency and commodity. We are going to focus on only on equity. Equity is nothing but a share of a company where which you can buy. You can become a shareholder of that company. So you have a lot of examples over here. These are all the scripts which you can find under equity. These all come under NSE and BSE. So it's ACC. You might have known ACC from Scam 1992. Yes, that's the same ACC. Then there are a lot of Ambuja Cements, Apollo Hospital, Apollo Tires, Asian Paints. You have a lot of scripts over here. Bajaj Auto. So it all these are all the equity which we can trade in, and you don't have to worry about this at the moment because this will all go off by September, because SEBI. Yeah, regarding SEBI, I forgot to mention about SEBI. Security and Exchange Board of India. This is known as SEBI. SEBI is the entity which helps to regulate the stock market. It helps us from stopping any manipulation done by the operators or by any institutes. So it's basically kind of a police in terms of stock market. It regulates everything which happens in the stock market. So they are going to reduce the margin to 0 by September, and intraday is going to be really tough when the margin is reduced. But if you ask me, reducing the margin is actually a good thing because you don't overtrade. You can trade only with the money you have. If you have margin to trade, you cannot control your emotion. You will start to trade with a lot of quantities, and again, if one trade goes wrong, everything is gone. We should be very careful about that. So I think this is enough for the day. Thank you for listening. Not understood, please find some free time and listen to it. That is all for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.